How can you save your teeth from everlasting stains without quitting your caffeine addiction? Reasons for permanent discoloration of teeth. The solid outer layer of our teeth, which is named enamel, saves the other coatings which are usually spread in microscopic gaps. When you eat or drink, particles get confounded in these gaps, forming an external stain, resulting in the discoloration of your teeth. The more time the particles are stuck there in the gaps, the harder it will be to protect layers of your teeth. The coffee stain goes deeper and deeper if you don't take any action to remove it. These intrinsic stains are very tough to clean, yellowed, stained teeth, and cast a very bad impression on others, plus they can be a bummer for your personality if your job responsibilities include interacting with new people. Surveys reflect that almost 20% of people try to smile hiding their teeth in photos just to hide the stains they are having on their teeth. Coffee, tea, and red wine are some of the common causes which lead to the reduction of natural whiteness of your teeth. Moreover, just flossing and brushing probably won't be sufficient to maintain the whiteness of your teeth. So, in today's video, here are some natural remedies that you can try at home to remove coffee stains from your teeth permanently. Number 1. Hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. Hydrogen peroxide is used to bleach hair, and a huge amount of it is spread over the hair for this purpose. But for the treatment of your teeth, you will be using a very little quantity of it to get rid of the coffee stains on your teeth. Just be careful and protect your lips while applying it over your teeth. Hydrogen peroxide is used as an oxidizer as it excites the surface of the enamel on our teeth to drop out the particles, resulting in discoloration. The baking soda heightens the reaction by inducing a fizzing effect and giving up even more particles to alleviate the stains from your teeth. You will notice amazing results straight away. Take a few drops of hydrogen peroxide and mix them with baking soda to make a paste. The paste should be fluid and not hard. Spread it evenly over your teeth and brush it gently. Leave it there for about 20 minutes, then use your regular toothpaste and rinse it over your teeth. Repeat this procedure 2 to 3 times per week and you will start noticing your lost whiteness back in your teeth. Number 2. Pull coconut oil. Coconut oil is admired for its antibacterial characteristics and it also helps in teeth whitening. Bacteria that develop after eating and drinking can lead to discoloration of your teeth and causing them to look dull. Coconut oil aids in wiping out those bacteria and liquidate the extra acid in your mouth. You just need to drag and pull coconut oil through and around your yellow teeth for about 20 minutes. Coating your teeth with coconut oil will take time and you will get used to it with the time. After 20 minutes, you can brush your teeth with your regular toothpaste and spit out the coconut oil. In the beginning, use 1 tablespoon of organic virgin coconut oil. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Be careful while applying anything acidic to your teeth. The ideal way to avoid the dullness or discoloration of your teeth is to avoid the reasons for it. Just like coconut oil, you can put 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar into your mouth and swash it around. Do it for 8 to 10 minutes and then apply the same procedure. Brush your teeth and make sure that the acid has been completely removed from your teeth. You can also use charcoal teeth whitening powder and teeth whitening kits as home remedies to remove coffee stains from teeth.
Anyways, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you. Have a nice day.